Hey guys, it's your boy Shanger again, back again with another video. And now I unboxed the Blackweb Soundstone, and now we're going to be doing a sound test on it. So let's get out my iPhone and let's do our review. Okay, so I didn't connect to this yet, so we're going to be connecting to it. So the power button is down here, so we're going to click it.
Power on.
So it said power on. So we're going to go to our device, go to settings, click Bluetooth, turn it on.
Pairing.
It said pairing, so we should see it. There we go. Let's click it. And it should be connected anytime now.
Your device is connected.
Okay, there we go. We're connected. Now let's turn up the volume. I think that's max. I don't know if I have. Okay, yeah. I think that's max. So let's go do a bass test first. So yeah, let's go to it. So we're going to be doing half and then we're going to go full. Let's turn it up. So that's the bass test. Has pretty good bass. Now let's go play a song. Okay, here we go. So starting from half. So this is maximum volume. So here's another song. Not sure, let's turn it up all the way up. So that was a sound test of the Blackweb Soundstone, and the last two songs that were provided were songs from music by Simon, so credits to him for letting me use this song. So thanks for watching, guys. That was the sound quality test of it. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure to comment down below. See you guys later. Bye, guys.